Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi, and next up in the Materia Medica series is another drug remedy, that is Hyoscymus. So Hyoscymus as a person and as a constitution will appear to be a very jovial person. So they want to be center of attraction and they want everyone's attention towards them. Now what will they do to get this attention? So they usually try to crack jokes, they will try to incite people, they will try to crack various types of funny jokes, and they laugh loudly just so that people look towards them or attend to them. All of these jokes initially they are harmless, and this inciting initially is harmless, but it might progress to something that is amorous and lascivious. So the jokes that are mild initially might turn out to be dirty as they progress towards the syphilis. Now these people can be highly suspicious as well. Whenever we think about suspicion, we always think about ophidias, especially lachesis, and we miss out on Hyoscymus. But Hyoscymus people are extremely suspicious. They do not even trust the doctors, or they do not even take the medicine given by doctor because they think that it might be poisoned. Now Hyoscymus also has various illusions, delusions and hallucinations. They have hallucination and delusion of worms, vermins, animals, etc. And as they progress physically, so in physical aspect we might find that there is extreme stupor while they are in fever, or the child shrieks and goes into a sudden stupor and cannot be awakened. So this is Hyoscymus in brief for you, and also you can enroll to our modules, you can purchase our books from the website. Stay tuned and let us know which other topics do you want us to cover. Thank you.